नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ JVN Dr. Ritu Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Gynae of Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Now, today's session is amenorrhea, part 1. Definition: amenorrhea literally means absence of menstruation. It is symptoms and not a disease. There are at least 5 basic factors involved in the onset and continuation of normal menstruation. These are Y normal, that is normal female chromosomal pattern, 46 XS, coordinated hypothalamo-pituitary ovarian axis, anatomical presence and patency of the outflow tract, responsive endometrium, active support of thyroid and adrenal gland. Clinical type, there are two types, physiological and pathological. Physiological is the primary before puberty and secondary during pregnancy, during lactation and following menopause. Now pathological further divide in two types, concealed and real. That is cryptomenorrhea and real is true. Cryptomenorrhea also further divide in two types, congenital and acquired. Real, primary and secondary. Pathological. Before puberty, the pituitary gonadotropins are not adequate enough to stimulate the ovarian follicles for effective steroidogenesis. Estrogen level are not sufficient enough to cause bleeding from endometrium. Now, during pregnancy, large amount of estrogen and chorionic gonadotropins secreted from the trophoblast suppress the pituitary gonadotropins that result no maturation of ovarian follicle. During lactation, high level of prolactin that result inhibits ovarian response to FSH, that is no follicular growth, and hypoestrogenic state, there is result no menstruation. If the patient does not breastfeed her baby, the menstruation return by 6 weeks of following delivery in about 40%. If the patient breastfeeds her baby, the menstruation may be suspended in about 70% until the baby stops breastfeeding. Following menopause, no more responsive follicles are available in the ovaries for the gonadotropins to act. As a result, there is cessation of estrogen production from the ovaries with elevation of pituitary gonadotropins. That and now pathological part, cryptomenorrhea, there is periodic shedding of endometrium and bleeding, but the menstruation blood fails to come out from the genital tract due to obstruction in passage. Causes: congenital and acquired. Congenital cause is the imperforate hymen, transverse vaginal septum, atresia of upper third of vagina and cervix. Now acquired: stenosis of cervix following amputation, deep cauterization and conization, secondary vaginal atresia following neglected and difficult vaginal delivery. Pathology. There is only accumulation of blood in uterine cavity resulting in hematometra, and in neglected case, the blood may enter the tubes, whose fimbrial and get blocked, resulting in distension of the tubes by the blood, that is hematosalpinx. Now, clinical feature. The patients with history of any of the etiological factor mentioned earlier complained of amenorrhea that back to from the event, periodic pain, lower abdomen, pelvic examination reveals the offspring lesion either in the vagina or cervix. The uterus is symmetrically enlarged. Now treatment, the simple dilatation of the cervix so as to drain the uh, collected blood is enough. In cases of secondary anesthesia of the vagina, reconstructive surgery is to be performed to maintain the patency. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.